Introducing the EGC Graphite Heating System. Our heater system can help you do a lot more with a lot less. The entire heater circuit is continually monitored by the heater control. This means that the average temperature remains extremely stable and the system reacts quickly. That's the more part. But they have less of what you don't need: extra mass, additional wiring, or sensors. They make your system more lightweight, more efficient, and quicker heating, while eliminating the need for multiple sensors. Our system is composed of a controller and a natural graphite heater. Together, they give you tighter management from small to extremely large areas. The controller monitors the entire graphite element circuit and then modulates the power to tightly maintain a given temperature, all in a sensorless system. Natural graphite is a material that has a negative temperature coefficient of resistance, known as an NTC material. By measuring and monitoring the current and voltage, the calculated resistance from these measurements is used, along with some pretty fancy software. Then, the box calculates the heater circuit's average temperature. That's how our system works. We've connected an infrared camera to a computer. When you look at the infrared video image of the platen, it shows the temperature uniformity or evenness of the platen surface. It varies only slightly as it comes up to temperature, cools, and rapidly heats again. This remeasurement takes place every 2 seconds. From a graphic perspective, you see a red line, which represents the surface temperature from top to bottom, and a blue line measuring left to right. Programmed for 150 degrees, you'll see a sameness in average temperature that's uniform and constant. An EGC NTC heater is used to heat the platen. Its serpentine element configuration covers the majority of the surface area. That, coupled with the heat spreading capability of the graphite, allows you to use a platen with significantly less mass. The controller will plug into any 110 volt outlet and is simply powered on. External programming is easy. For example, the red bar on the display will ask you to designate the temperature you'd like the element to achieve. Just enter the temperature, hit return, and it's programmed. Inside the unit are control modules and software. They're in constant communication with the graphite heater. It's the brains of the system. Next are the voltage and a current transformer. Above is a power supply. Down below is a solid-state relay which switches power to the heater. So what are the big benefits of the system? Although it's got a lot under the hood, it's simple to use. There are only 2 wires that require connection, no sensors that have to be positioned or installed, and the user can program the unit in seconds. It's incredibly uniform. Based on the high surface area coverage and the heat spreading capability of the graphite element, you can design a system with a lower mass that's far more constant under varying load conditions. And it's safe. It will never fail because of a sensor malfunction, because there are no sensors. And since the system constantly measures the element temperature, there's no potential for heater failure due to an over-temperature condition, because there is no thermostat. The constant feedback right from the graphite element is used to monitor and accurately maintain temperature. Since thick metal is no longer needed to transfer heat quickly to sensors or to ensure temperature uniformity, we can use non-metals or thinner metal mounting substrates. We'd love to tell you more about our system. Just give us a call at 440-285-5835 or visit our website at www.egcflexiblegraphitesolutions.com.